For over a century, it stood for quality, innovation, and tradition. A car constructor that goes back to the birth of the automobile, and a brand that defies the odds to be with us today.
Mercedes-Benz builds the most desirable cars in the world, and we have done so since the year 1886.
It's an iconic badge that has adorned the grilles and bonnets of some of the world's most stunning and prestigious cars ever made. Yet the story of the three-pointed star's origin owes more to fate than brilliant design. In 1883, inspired inventor Karl launches his own car company. 7 years later, Gottlieb Daimler founds a rival upstart motor company known as DMG. Both companies dive headfirst into the burgeoning field of motorized transportation. Amazingly, even though the two inventors live just 90 kilometers apart, they never meet.
The origin of the three-pointed Mercedes star goes back to Gottlieb Daimler himself.
When Daimler passes away, his sons honor his memory by using a three-pointed star for good luck after recalling an old postcard their father once sent that used a similar symbol. For the next 30 years, the Daimler Motor Company and Benz Motor Company take parallel yet separate paths. However, World War I changes everything.
Economic conditions in Germany after the First World War were difficult.
The aftermath of the conflict leaves economic chaos and severe material shortages. In 1923, Benz builds less than 1,400 cars, while Daimler churns out everything from bicycles and typewriters to office furniture. When massive post-war inflation spikes, a banker named von Strauss forces the two companies to merge to survive. It's a fateful choice that changes automotive destiny.
To ease the enormous economic pressure, Germany's two oldest and largest automobile factories formed a community of interest in 1924.
From this point forward, the combined company is called Daimler-Benz, and its symbol uses a wreath wrapped around Daimler's three-pointed star. It's the birth of what will become one of the world's largest and most influential automakers.
Nothing comes before the three-pointed star. It doesn't matter if it's a Daimler truck, if it's a Mercedes-Benz SUV, or an AMG sports car. Every single one has the three-pointed star on it.